Hello everyone, and welcome to InstaLearn AI. I'm excited to have you here as we begin our Microsoft Azure AI Business Solutions Architect, AB-100 certification series. Whether you're preparing for the exam, expanding your AI knowledge, or working with Microsoft Copilot and Azure AI solutions, this series is designed to help you learn the concepts in a simple, practical, and exam-focused way. In this video, we'll cover questions 1 through 10, explaining not only the correct answers but also why they are correct and how Microsoft expects you to think during the exam. Throughout this series, you'll gain a deeper understanding of topics such as Microsoft Copilot, Copilot Studio, Azure AI Foundry, Azure AI Services, Responsible AI, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG, AI Agents, Microsoft 365 Integration, Security, Governance, and Business Solution Design. Each question is an opportunity to strengthen your concepts and improve your confidence for the AB-100 certification exam. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the upcoming parts of this complete AB-100 series. Now, let's get started with questions 1 through 10. Happy learning, and good luck with your certification journey. Question 1. Case study. This is a case study. Case studies are not timed separately from other exam sections. You can use as much exam time as you would like to complete each case study. However, there might be additional case studies or other exam sections. Manage your time to ensure that you can complete all the exam sections in the time provided. Pay attention to the exam progress at the top of the screen so you have sufficient time to complete any exam sections that follow this case study. To answer the case study questions, you will need to reference information that is provided in the case. Case studies and associated questions might contain exhibits or other resources that provide more information about the scenario described in the case. Information provided in an individual question does not apply to the other questions in the case study. A review screen will appear at the end of this case study. From the review screen, you can review and change your answers before you move to the next exam section. After you leave this case study, you will not be able to return to it. To start the case study. To display the first question in this case study, select the Next button. To the left of the question, a menu provides links to information such as business requirements, the existing environment, and problem statements. Please read through all this information before answering any questions. When you are ready to answer a question, select the Question button to return to the question. Overview. Contoso Limited is a high-tech manufacturing company that uses Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance, Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management, and Dynamics 365 Commerce for its North American operations. The company designs and develops innovative products that have many patents and proprietary technologies. The patents and engineering designs are closely guarded secrets. Contoso executives want to integrate and adopt AI solutions to help scale the company in preparation for an anticipated period of rapid growth. The company has multiple legal entities and Azure subscriptions that will be used in the adopted AI solutions. Requirements. AI adoption. The following executives will have specific responsibilities in the overall AI adoption. Chief Technology Officer, CTO. Select one Dynamics 365 Finance, Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management or Dynamics 365 Commerce Pre-Built AI Agent and one custom Microsoft Copilot Studio AI Agent to prioritize and deploy during the initial AI adoption phase. Chief Information Officer, CIO. Ensure that appropriate security labels are assigned to the data used by the AI agents. Chief Financial Officer, CFO. Analyze the return on investment, ROI, for the AI agents being deployed. Chief Information Security Officer, CISO, discover and inventory AI resources for auditing. Chief Executive Officer, CEO, ensure that all solutions adhere to industry-standard responsible AI practices. All AI initiatives and agents will have a detailed business use case, a defined audience profile, and an estimated ROI that will compare the cost savings of the current process against the estimated costs of using the new AI solutions. The company's research and development (R&D) department already has a custom model context protocol (MCP) server that contains comprehensive product specifications and compliance data. Pre-built AI agent. The CTO has not yet selected which pre-built AI agent to use in Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. The CTO wants to view available agent templates to identify which agent will add the most business value. Depending on which high-priority AI agents are identified, its agent capabilities must be previewed in a discovery meeting with the relevant business operation stakeholders. Custom AI Agent. Contoso has identified the following custom AI agent requirements. The custom AI agent will use data from Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management to answer questions for the manufacturing team as a low-code solution. The custom AI agent will be accessible from within Microsoft Teams. The custom AI agent must be designed to eventually connect to other agents that can be selected based on their description. The topics used in the custom AI agent will be selected based not on a trigger phrase, but on a description of the purpose of the query, to make the interactions more conversational. The custom AI agent must be able to answer questions about product specifications by using existing technologies. The product specifications are maintained by the R&D department. The custom AI agent must be integrated with and accessible from Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. The custom AI agent must be able to use Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management business logic that is stored outside of the application. Analysis, reporting, and troubleshooting. Contoso has identified the following analysis, reporting, and troubleshooting requirements. The CISO will audit all the AI solutions monthly for compliance and security. The CFO will analyze all the AI solutions quarterly to compare the estimated ROI against actual measured efficiencies in adoption. The CFO will use the Copilot Studio Agent Usage Estimator to perform this analysis. The CISO wants to identify how much sensitive data was accessed for a given AI agent run and who accessed the data. Too much sensitive data accessed by a single user might indicate a high security risk. The CTO wants to track user feedback on the quality of the AI agent responses during user interactions with the agents. Consistently poor feedback will trigger an escalated re-engineering discussion. The CEO wants a quarterly assessment of all the required metrics for their specific responsibilities. The tools used for the assessments must be Microsoft recommended and must verify reliability, interpretability, fairness, and compliance. The CFO wants to identify how many interactions with the AI agents are abandoned on a given day as compared to resolved conversations. Too many abandoned sessions might indicate that Copilot Studio credits are being used inefficiently by end users. Which two components in the custom AI agent design should the CFO evaluate in the quarterly agent analysis? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. The GPT models used for the agent. B. The average characters in a chat message. C. The agent orchestration method. D. The average session time per agent. Correct answers: C. The agent orchestration method. D. The average session time per agent. Here's why. The CFO's quarterly agent analysis is focused on ROI measurement and efficiency tracking. Based on the requirements, the two components that should be evaluated are average session time per agent. This helps determine whether users are spending too long in conversations, potential inefficiency, or resolving queries quickly, higher ROI. It directly ties to measuring adoption and efficiency. Agent orchestration method. Orchestration impacts how effectively the agent connects to other systems and handles queries. Inefficient orchestration could increase costs or lead to abandoned sessions, which the CFO specifically wants to monitor. Question 2. What should you configure for the custom AI agent? AI-assisted evaluators. B. Classic orchestration. C. Generative orchestration. D. Azure OpenAI reasoning models. Correct answer: C. Generative orchestration. Here's why. Generative orchestration allows the agent to select topics based on the description of the purpose of the query rather than a trigger phrase. This matches Contoso's requirement for more conversational interactions. It also enables the agent to connect to other agents dynamically, based on their description, which aligns with the company's plan to eventually integrate multiple agents. This orchestration method supports low-code design, integration with teams, and leveraging Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management business logic stored outside the application. Question 3. What should you recommend to assist the CTO with the pre-built agent selection process? A. Agent management. B. Immersive Home C Lifecycle Services, LCS, D. Copilot Studio. Correct answer: C. Lifecycle Services, LCS. Here's why. LCS provides a centralized portal where the CTO can view available agent templates for Dynamics 365 applications. It enables discovery and preview of pre-built AI agent capabilities, which aligns with the CTO's requirement to evaluate which agent adds the most business value. LCS supports collaboration with stakeholders during the discovery meetings, ensuring that the right agent is prioritized for deployment. Question 4. Drag-drop. Which Copilot Studio Analytics metrics should you recommend to assist the executives with their specific responsibilities? To answer, drag the appropriate metrics to the correct executives. Each metric may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. Metrics: effectiveness, satisfaction, tool use, answer area. 1. CFO concerns about Copilot Studio credit usage. 2. CTO concerns about poor feedback on AI agent responses. Correct answers. 1. CFO concerns about Copilot Studio credit usage. Here's why. The CFO wants to track how many interactions are abandoned versus resolved. The use metric provides insight into adoption and efficiency, helping identify wasted credits. 2. CTO concerns about poor feedback on AI agent responses. Satisfaction. Here's why. The CTO is focused on user feedback quality. The satisfaction metric directly measures how users rate their experience with agent responses, highlighting where re-engineering may be needed. Question 5. What should you recommend to assist the CEO with their specific responsibilities? A. Compliance Center. B. Microsoft Foundry Tools. C. The Microsoft Service Trust Portal. D. The Responsible AI Dashboard. E. Microsoft Purview. Correct answer. D. The Responsible AI Dashboard. Here's why. The CEO must ensure all AI solutions adhere to responsible AI practices. The Responsible AI Dashboard is a Microsoft-recommended tool that provides quarterly assessments across the required dimensions: reliability, interpretability, fairness, and compliance. It directly aligns with the CEO's responsibility to verify that AI adoption meets industry standards and ethical guidelines. Question 6. Which tools should you recommend to assist the CISO and the CIO with their specific responsibilities? To answer, drag the appropriate tools to the correct executives. Each tool may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. Tools: Azure Blob Storage, Azure Resource Graph Explorer, Copilot Studio, Microsoft Purview. Answer area. 1. CISO. 2. CIO. Correct answers. 1. CISO, Azure Resource Graph Explorer. Here's why. The Chief Information Security Officer, CISO, is responsible for security, compliance, and governance. Azure Resource Graph Explorer allows the CISO to quickly query and visualize security configurations and resource compliance across their entire Azure environment to identify risks. 2. CIO, Microsoft Purview. Here's why. The Chief Information Officer, CIO, is responsible for the overall information technology strategy and data governance. Microsoft Purview provides a comprehensive solution for data governance, risk management, and compliance, helping the CIO manage, protect, and understand data across the organization's entire digital estate. Question 7. Which two components for the custom AI agent should you include in the application lifecycle management process? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. An X++ model. B. A zip package. C. An Azure Package DA Microsoft Power Platform solution. E. A Cloud Scale Unit, CSU, package. Correct answers. B. A Zip Package DA Microsoft Power Platform solution. Here's why. Zip package. Copilot Studio agents are exported and imported as zip packages. This is the standard packaging format for moving agents between environments in Microsoft Power Platform solution. Since Copilot Studio is part of the Power Platform, solutions are the recommended way to manage and deploy customizations, including AI agents, across environments. Question 8. A company has an AI agent that automates the review of customer feedback stored in a cloud database. You plan to generate monthly reports from the agent's output to provide insights into customer sentiment and guide product development and marketing. You need to ensure that the data ingested by the agent is clean and suitable for the intended use. What should you do to prepare the data? A. Ensure that the size of the database does not exceed 100 gigabytes. B. Translate the data into a single language. C. Identify and address biased data. D. Sort the database by customer last name. Correct answer. C. Identify and address biased data. Here's why. Identify and address biased data ensures that the AI agent's sentiment analysis is fair, reliable, and representative of all customer groups. Bias in training or input data can distort insights and lead to poor product or marketing decisions. Translate into a single language might help consistency but is not essential for preparing clean, unbiased data. Database size limit, 100 gigabytes, irrelevant to data quality or suitability for sentiment analysis. Sorting by customer last name, organizational, but does not improve data cleanliness or suitability for AI analysis. Question 9. A company has an Azure environment that supports multiple business units. The company plans to implement an AI solution that will perform sentiment analysis on customer product reviews. You need to evaluate the potential cost of the solution to support return on AI investment, ROAI, analysis. What should you use? A. Total cost of ownership, TCO, calculator. B. Azure reservations. C. Azure pricing calculator. D. Azure monitor. Correct answer. C. Azure pricing calculator. Here's why. The Azure pricing calculator allows you to estimate costs for specific Azure services, like AI, databases, compute, and storage, based on usage scenarios. It provides detailed breakdowns of expected monthly or annual costs, which is exactly what the CFO and executives need to compare against ROI. This aligns with the requirement to forecast costs before adoption and measure them against efficiency gains. Question 10. A company has an Azure environment that supports multiple business units. The company plans to implement an AI solution that will perform sentiment analysis on customer product reviews. You need to evaluate the potential cost of the solution to support return on AI investment, ROAI, analysis. What should you use? A. Azure Savings Plans. B. Microsoft Fabric SKU Estimator. C. Cost Management plus Billing. D. Azure Monitor. Correct answer. C. Cost Management plus Billing. Here's why. Cost Management plus Billing is the Microsoft recommended tool for tracking, analyzing, and forecasting Azure costs across multiple business units and subscriptions. It provides detailed insights into actual and projected spending, which is essential for ROAI analysis. Unlike calculators, which estimate costs before deployment, Cost Management plus Billing works with real usage data, making it ideal for ongoing ROI evaluation. Thank you for watching this episode of the Microsoft Azure AI Business Solutions Architect, AB-100, series. I hope these explanations helped you better understand the concepts and brought you one step closer to passing the AB-100 certification exam. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to InstaLearn AI, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss upcoming practice questions, exam tips, and Microsoft AI certification content. Don't forget to share this video with friends and colleagues who are also preparing for the AB-100 exam. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. Happy learning with InstaLearn AI.